Okay, here's a quick example of graphing a quadratic in factored form. We've got this f of x here. It's equal to negative x plus 2 times x plus 6. We want to graph this thing on this coordinate plane here. So to do that, first, let's establish what our roots are. And the roots, we want to take each factor and set it equal to 0. And we want to think about what x values would make this equal to 0. So, okay, if I have a negative 2 in for x here, this is going to be a negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. So I've got a negative 2, 0, and I've got a negative 6, 0. Those are my two roots. So let's plot those. Negative 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6. Next, to find the vertex of this guy, I'm going to have to think about what the x value is, or what the axis of symmetry is between these two roots. So I can either kind of eyeball this, it looks like it's going to be halfway in between, or I can just take the average of these two roots. So the vertex, the x value, is going to be given as negative 2 plus a negative 6 all over 2. Again, I'm taking an average of these two values so I can find what's exactly in the middle of it. So that's going to be a negative 8 over 2, or negative 4. So the x value is negative 4 for the vertex. So I want to find what f of negative 4 is. So that's going to be given as negative 4 plus 2 times negative 4 plus 6. And let's just evaluate this thing. So I have a negative 2 times 2. And so this is like a negative 1 times 2, negative 2 times 2, so that's going to come out to be a 4. So f of 4 equals 4. I can plot this on my graph, or rather, this is negative 4. So negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my vertex, here are my roots. This is really all that I need to draw a good graph for this thing. And there you have it.